Good evening, all of you. In this video, I will be discussing a GS answer of APSC Mains 2022. So, this answer came in the year 2022, and today we'll be discussing how to attempt this question. It is a 15 marker question. Okay, so how will you attempt this? Okay, so let us begin. So, the syllabus is science GS paper 3. Okay, so this is a 15 marker question, actually 10 marker, but I have written 3 pages, so it's a 15 marker. So first of all, whenever you are attempting any GS question, you have to understand the demand of the question. So the question is asking, artificial intelligence is a boon more than a bane. Comment. Okay, so they are asking, boon means positive aspects of artificial intelligence and bane means the negative aspects of artificial intelligence. So AI, the question is demanding, AI is, the good effects of AI are more than the bad effects of artificial intelligence. So actually you have to comment, so actually you have to analyze this question. So how to write this answer, how this is a model answer prepared by me. So first of all, you can write as, AI may be defined as an advancement in technology through which prerequisites of technology is expressed in form of advancement in intelligence. So this is not a definition mm, prepared from before. You can just prepare any definition, you can write any definition will suffice. Okay, so AI may be defined as an advancement in technology through which the prerequisites of technology is expressed in the form of advancement in intelligence. Okay, so intelligently you are advancing using technology, that is AI, definitely. So the question, now let us move to demand of the question. First you have to give an introduction, also you have to give conclusion, and between that you have to give the positives and negative aspects of artificial intelligence. That is the demand of the question. So this is a 15 marker question, so you have to write 3 to 4 pages. Okay, so then always try to draw diagrams whenever you are writing an answer. So you can draw a simple diagram. This is called sun diagram because this diagram looks like sun, no? So sun, like a sun it looks like. So artificial can be used in philosophy. So AI can be used in maths, biology, sciences, or nervous, anything with that relates nervous system. Then psychology, that means human emotions where they are studied. Then computer science, sociology, and philosophy. So that is the use of artificial intelligence. So you can use AI to study maths, biology, neuron science, psychology, computer science, sociology, and philosophy. So you have given a good diagram, so examiner will think this guy, he has well presented answer. Also you may not use diagrams also, but I would advise you that if you know, then you should put diagram, because diagram covers around 10% or 15% of your total answer pages. Okay, so imagine you are writing the same thing in point, so this will cover only this much space. Okay, but when you are drawing a diagram, so a lot of spaces are covered and your time is saved. Okay, so now they are asking, let's move into the question. So they are asking that AI is a boon more than a bane. So first you show the boon side. Boon means positive sides of artificial intelligence. So just give a heading, argument which support the fact that artificial intelligence is more of a boon. Okay, so how you can say that AI is really helping us. So you can first point, it can help in excavations. Okay, so excavations means like khudai. Okay, so it's archaeology or study of history. Okay, so for example, Indus Valley sites are excavated. Okay, so example you can give, 200 wells have been spotted in Rajasthan related to oil fields. Okay, so 200 wells have been spotted in Rajasthan related to oil fields. So always remember, whenever you are writing a mains answer, always complement your points with some current affairs. So here you have given an example that 200 wells have been spotted in Rajasthan related to oil fields. So you have given good example that, okay, I know the demand of the question and I have seen the depth of the question. Whenever you are comprehending or complementing any point with example, it will really help you to gain more marks. That's what I feel. Okay, Then point number 2, it can be collaborated with digital public infrastructure. Okay, so uh, AI can be collaborated with digital public infrastructure. For example, Aadhaar, you can use AI, unified payment interface, then you can be used in DigiLocker. So it can be collaborated with digital public infrastructure, or DPI in short. So always you can complement your answer with points. So I am talking about the positives of artificial intelligence. Then artificial intelligence, then according to NASCOM, third thing, you are providing data. AI is expected to contribute around $500 billion to India's GDP. Okay, so this is one data which you have given, and the examiner will really think that okay, this guy has studied papers and current affairs holistically. Okay, because when you see, this is a relative exam, and other guy is also studying a lot, so how will you compete with him or her? So you have to write better answers. So this is a very good point. It's related to data, because in exam everyone cannot write data. Just remember, they will write simple lines like AI helps in polity, AI helps in economics. So because whenever you are under time constraint, then you have limited time to think. Okay, so if you write this kind of data, then it can really help you. And point number 4, it can help in smart cities and smart mobility. Okay, so smart cities, it will help, and smart mobility. Okay, so it will make overall, which I can say or you can say, is that AI will help us make our life easier. Now the question is asking whether AI is a boon or a bane. Okay, so you already talked about boon. So see, this is a 10 marker question. Suppose this is a 10 marker question. Okay, so if you write only about boon and you fill the entire pages, then you will get only 5 marks. Okay, means you will get marks only out of 5. So boon is 5 marks, bane is 5 marks. So first thing is, whenever you are writing answer, first thing is understanding the demand of the question. First thing which you have to like realize. Okay, you should be able to understand the demand of the question in about 30 seconds or 20 seconds. And after that, second is preparing and is structuring the answer. You have to think that okay, if there are 3 pages or 4 pages, one page I will write about the boon, and another page I'll write about the bane, and then I'll give some introduction, diagram if possible, and conclusion also. If you write an answer in this way, then only you'll get good marks. Okay, if you write just anything, then your examiner will think that okay, this guy is not meeting the demand of the question. Okay, so now arguments which support the fact that AI is a bane. Okay, the second point. So what is the energy consumption in AI machines are pretty high. Okay, so you see that in AI energy consumption is very high. Okay, so this is one disadvantage. Then second is, it can lead to potential job displacement. Okay, so imagine a particular organization. Okay, so if every work is being fulfilled with the help of artificial intelligence, then what will normal people do? Because AI will replace, no, so those people will become unemployment. So it can lead to potential job loss. And third is, it risks the over reliance on technology. So everything, if you relate everything to technology, so technology can be positive also and detrimental also, that is negative also. Okay, so for example, if you are using suppose Alexa, okay, so you say that do this, do that, you will be over dependent on technology. And what if technology fails? Okay, if technology fails somehow, you will be badly impacted. Okay, so the negative is that it will the risk of over reliance on technology will increase. Then malicious usage. So see, so the world is filled with good people as well as bad people. The bad people will use AI to detrimental outcomes. Okay, so detrimental means a negative outcomes. Okay, so energy consumption, it can lead to potential job losses, risk of over reliance on technology, and malicious usage can lead to detrimental outcomes. Now the both you have met the demand of the question. Now what is your suggestion? Comment. Okay, so what you can do is that you can give some solutions. Whenever you give a solution, see, everyone likes solutions. Okay, whenever you are talking to a particular person, okay, so if he his mind is solution oriented, you'll really be attracted to him. But if he keeps on imposing problems with, what will you feel? You'll feel that, okay, this guy is very monotonous and is very boring. Okay, so always be solution oriented. That is why way forward or solutions is very important. Some you may not write also, but I would suggest you write way forward. So what is India doing? Okay, and if your solution is data related, okay, everyone will be collaboration and commitment and everything, those kind of words you can write. But if you write some like data related answers, for example, India AI mission is launched, okay, to deal with a national strategy for artificial intelligence is another thing which is launched. Then digital personal data protection bill, because AI can destroy your personal data also. Okay, what if it leaks your bank balance and everything? Okay, then AI we can destroy. AI digital public infrastructure also. Okay, digital public infrastructure can also deal with artificial intelligence. So the question again, you have to understand the demand of the question. That question was asking, AI is, okay, AI is a boon, is a boon more than a bane. Okay, so whether it is a boon or bane, so you can conclude AI is no longer a distant frontier. Okay, it is up to us to how we use AI and can lead to holistic development as a whole. So that this thing will really help you gain very good marks in exam. That's what I feel. And if you have any doubts, okay, this was a GS3 question, you can like ask me if you feel comfortable. Thank you, you have given me so much time. Thank you very much.